Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, friends, I will be showing you how to make grilled juicy liver. I have half kg washed lamb liver, 2 lemons, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. I also have cling film. First, squeeze the lemons. Add salt. One tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And black pepper. And mix well. I mixed well. Now I'm going to put cling film on this and leave it in the fridge for overnight. Steam some vegetables. For 5 minutes. So I took it out the fridge and I'm going to take off cling film and then mix it. I'm going to put it inside a baking tray. I put it inside a baking tray. Now I'm going to grill it on both sides. I took it out and now I'm going to brush some oil on top. One side is done and now I'm going to flip it to the other side. I took it out, now I'm going to put chaat masala on top. And now I'm going to dish it out. I've dished it out and these are the end results. I put the steamed vegetables underneath the liver. I put the liver on wooden sticks. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.